In a house in Texas, the Parker family placed an empty chair at the table. It belonged to Sergeant Daniel Parker, who had gone missing in action 8 years earlier. No one knew whether he was alive or gone forever. But the Parkers never stopped hoping. Daniel's younger sister, Emily, kept writing letters to him even, though she didn't know where he was. She placed each letter in a wooden box under his old baseball glove. When he returns, he'll read them all, she'd whisper. By 2025, the world had changed. New wars, new borders, new priorities. But one group of military volunteers, called the Silent Trace Unit, continued searching for missing American soldiers around the world. One cold January morning, the Parkers received a call. "We found him, alive." Daniel had been trapped in a remote mountain region after a crash, surviving with a small group of villagers who protected him. He had lost communication and couldn't travel due to his injuries. For years, he waited for the world to find him. When Daniel finally reached Texas, the whole town showed up at the airport. Emily stood in the front holding a small envelope, her last letter. Daniel hugged his family tightly for minutes without letting go. Reporters asked him what kept him alive. He looked at Emily. Hope, and the belief that my empty chair was still waiting. That year, the chair at the Parker Thanksgiving table was no longer empty. It held a hero.